Hello everyone, my name is Bảo Long. I'm doing Bachelor of Networking at MIT, Melbourne Institute of Technology. And today I'm really excited to introduce to you guys a topic how to installing a GUI head generator and comparing patches. This topic is belong to a subject BN203 network security. Okay, let's begin. Now I'm going to show you step by step to installing GUI Head Generator. The first thing we need to do is download the GUI Head Generator file to PC. We're going to Google Chrome and type with the key hashtag. On the top of the page we will see the hashtag implicit link. We click on that to open the link. When the page open, we can see a lot of information of hashtag and also function of hashtag. So we just click on free download to download the file, and when the file has complete, we will open it to install the hashtag. Now we just follow the default instruction to install the hashtag. Say yes, next, agree, and save in C program file hashtag cell extension name. Now we finish. This page will run us to the web to introduce how to use hashtag. Load it. In this step, we will create a file to make comparison. The first file I will type with name Melbourne 1.doc. In this document, we can type whatever we want. I will write Melbourne city. In the world with the top at the end of sentence, and we will save it. To make comparison, we have to create the other file with the content a little bit different. So in here I will make different by delete the dot at the end of sentence and save it with the name Melbourne2.doc and then save it. And close it. I will create two document files, Melbourne1 and Melbourne2. Now I will take you guys to the next session is compare the results of various hash algorithm. So to do this section, I will open the file explorer. I will open the file explorer, and then I will navigate to the document with the file I will create. Is Melbourne1. Click to Melbourne1 and then right click and then list property. I will see the new tab appear. This is show us the file hash, and we can see the hash value in file hash. To have more detail on hash value, I can go to setting and then select all the bottom and OK. And now we can see all the digest generate the file, the document here, and I will start to compare this file with the other file I will create before. Click to the Astler 32 and then click on the post compare a file and find the Maven 2, then open it. So we can see the digest of each file document is different. Here I can show you on Notepad. This digest of the Maven 1 and this one of Maven from Maven 2. Yeah, you can see it's completely different. Or I can open the property of Maven 2 to have a clearly look. Maven 2. Yeah, so we can see between Maven 1 and Maven 2 is completely different about digest. Yes, and I can say the digest is not the same when the file has is different. Yeah, okay, all done. They are all my experience. I want to show you guys how to use it, how to install in GUI head generator and comparing digest. For my experience, I would like recommend for you guys to use GUI head generator more than command line, because on GUI you can see all your hash value of the document at the same time. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. And if you have any question, just leave your comment below and I will answer you. Thank you. See you. Bye.